In this video, we will learn how to create SAP goal planning ready reckoner. So if you want to create a table showing multiple expected return with the multiple tenures for the specific goal, in that kind of situation you can use this calculator. So I'll tell you how to use the calculator. Firstly, this is a dashboard of Encourage. You need to go to the sales tools. In the sales tools, there is the option which is client proposal. In the client proposal, here is SAP goal planning ready reckoner. Let me open the calculator. Now they are asking for the cover page title, for which is totally optional. If you're not adding any cover page title, it will become like your calculator's name only. So I am adding as in Raj Sharma. Next, they are asking for the targeted amount. Here you need to add a specific target. All right, so I am adding 5 crore rupees of target. Now they are asking for the expected return. So I am expected return. All right, 9, 10, 12 and 13. The next step is SIP period. So you can add a multiple SIP period also. So I am adding 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Next is add client option. So you need to click to the add client button. After then that, you can add client's name from here. You can add client's photo from here, which is totally optional. If you don't have your client's photo, so you can not add it. It's not mandatory, but I highly recommend just add your client's photo so that that proposal will more enhanceful to your client. So I am adding this profile picture. The next step is add customized sales kit. If you want to add additional pages in this proposal to make proposal more enhanceful, so firstly you need to make a PDF in the sales pro pack. After then that PDF will be reflected in the customized sales kit. Then you need to select a PDF from here. Now they are asking you want to reflect that PDF in the beginning or in the end. So we will go with the beginning only. Next is add suggested scheme for investment summary. Now you need to add a scheme here. You can add multiple scheme from here. For example, I am adding this scheme. You can see my scheme is reflecting here. Now I want to add another scheme. So from here only I will select a asset type, different asset type, and then AMC name, category and the scheme. You can see the scheme as my next scheme is reflecting also here. You can add many more schemes if you want to add. So I am going with 2 schemes only. Now click to the calculate button. Now firstly preview your proposal. As you can see, SAP ready reckoner for Raj Sharma. So targeted amount we just selected 5 crore rupees. As you can see, multiple SIP periods we just selected, which is reflecting here, and the 10 years which is reflecting here, 9, 10, 12, 13. This is a table of the goal planning ready reckoner. So this is SIP required for achieving targeted amount. Now you can see suggested scheme for investment summary. As we selected 2 schemes, this is schemes past performance. After previewing the proposal, you can save the proposal, which will saved in this platform only, in this client proposal, in the all saved proposal. So you can go with the download proposal also. It will be downloaded in your download list. So I am going to download the proposal. Let me open the proposal. So first page in the proposal will be your branding. Alright, second 2 pages which we selected from the sales pro pack, customized sales kit. Here is your goal planning table. Second last page will be your disclaimer, and then last page will be your branding again. This is how you can calculate SIP goal planning ready reckoner. Thank you so much.